Have you ever wondered how stylists manage to create perfect Christmas trees every year? In this video, we'll show you the secrets to creating a fabulous, Insta-worthy tree the easy way. If, like us, you're using an artificial tree, assemble it by slotting the pieces together. And if your tree skirt is solid like ours, it's a good idea to pop it on first. If yours wraps around and fastens at the back, you can wait till a later stage. Fold down the branches and fan each one out. Start with the bottom branches and work your way up to the top. This is the easiest way to make sure you create an even shape on each layer of the tree. For a full look, make sure all the branches are spread out and pointing in lots of different directions. Once you've reached the bottom, step back and check the overall effect of the tree. Make sure it's symmetrical and fill in any gaps by adjusting the branches where needed. Before putting your lights on the tree, give them a quick test to make sure they're working. If you have a solid Christmas tree skirt, run the lights underneath it and up through the middle to keep things tidy. Starting with the end of the wire at the very top, drape the lights around the tree in a spiral shape, positioning the bulbs close to the tips of the branches. Switch on the lights and check that you've covered the tree evenly. Lay all your decorations out on a level surface, then sort them into colour groups. This will help you to make sure the colour distribution is even when it comes to hanging. Choose your feature baubles and put these on first so that they have the best spots. Your feature baubles could be the largest ones, particularly ornate designs, treasured family favourites, or just those you like best this year. Push sprays of festive foliage into some of the gaps or any dark spots. Odd numbers of these work best. Pick out sets of 3 baubles of similar size and colour and arrange them in close clusters all over the tree. Again, aim for an odd number of clusters. Step back and check that the effect is even before moving on to the next step. Fill in some gaps with single baubles. It's best to use a mix of shapes at this stage for variety. Keep checking the balance of the tree from a distance as you go. Now's the time to fill in any remaining gaps. To add a bit of background texture, nestle flowers into the branches. Add any tie or clip-on decorations, fastening these to the tips. Before you add your topper, step back and make sure you're happy with the look. Make any final adjustments. Finish off the tree by adding the topper. Now that you're ready to place presents around your beautifully decorated tree, check out our video on stylish and sustainable gift wrapping.